Out here on the water, having a reliable electrical system isn't just convenient, it's essential. The vast expanse of the ocean is both beautiful and unforgiving, and the last thing you want is an electrical failure when you're miles away from shore. Whether you're running cargo ships, fishing boats or luxury yachts, the heart of your vessel depends on these components humming along perfectly. Each type of vessel has its own unique electrical demands, but the core principles of maintaining these systems remain the same. And that's where this SOP comes in. It's our roadmap to making sure every wire, circuit breaker and panel we handle is treated with the respect it deserves. This isn't just about following a set of rules, it's about understanding the importance of each component and how it contributes to the overall safety and functionality of the vessel. We're talking about handling, storage, packaging and preservation, the four pillars of marine electrical care. Each of these pillars plays a crucial role in ensuring that the electrical systems remain in top condition, ready to perform under any circumstances. It might sound like a mouthful, but trust me, each step is crucial. Proper handling prevents damage. Correct storage ensures longevity. Careful packaging avoids transit issues, and preservation techniques keep components in optimal condition. We're not just dealing with expensive equipment here, we're dealing with the safety of everyone on board. Electrical failures can lead to dangerous situations, so it's imperative that we follow these procedures to the letter. This ain't your grandpappy's workshop manual. We've updated our methods and tools to match the advancements in marine technology, ensuring that our procedures are both current and effective. We're going to break down each step in plain English with visuals to make it crystal clear. No jargon, no confusion, just straightforward instructions that anyone can follow. By the time we're done, you'll be well versed in the art of keeping these electrical components shipshape and ready for action. Let's dive in. With this knowledge, you'll be prepared to tackle any electrical challenge that comes your way, ensuring smooth sailing for your vessel and peace of mind for your crew. Now imagine stepping into a sauna. The heat envelops you and the humidity makes the air feel thick. It's a place designed for relaxation, but not for everything. Hot, humid, and not exactly the ideal environment for sensitive electronics, right? Just like we wouldn't want to leave our phones or laptops in such conditions. Our electrical components need special care too. Well, the same principle applies to storing our electrical components. They need a balanced environment to function properly and last longer. These components are a bit like Goldilocks. They need things to be just right. Not too hot, not too cold, not too humid, and not too dry. Too much humidity and you risk corrosion creeping in. Corrosion can damage the delicate circuits and connections, leading to failures and costly repairs. Too dry, and you're looking at potential static discharge damage. Static electricity can fry sensitive components in an instant, rendering them useless. That's why we've got dedicated storage areas that are climate-controlled year-round. These spaces are carefully monitored to maintain the perfect balance of temperature and humidity. Think of it like a spa treatment for our electrical gear, keeping them comfortable and ready to perform at their best. Just as we need the right environment to thrive, so do our electronics. Maintaining the right temperature and humidity isn't just about comfort. It's about ensuring the longevity and reliability of these vital components. A stable environment helps prevent unexpected failures and extends the life of our equipment. Trust me, a little prevention goes a long way in this business. By taking these steps, we're not just protecting our investments, but also ensuring that our systems run smoothly and efficiently for years to come. We've all seen those guys at the airport tossing luggage around like it's nothing. Now, imagine them handling delicate electrical panels and wiring harnesses. Not a pretty picture, right? Here's the deal. Mishandling these components is a one-way ticket to malfunction junction. That's why we treat every piece of equipment with the utmost care, just like you'd handle a priceless artifact. We're talking proper lifting techniques, using the right equipment, no brute force allowed, and securing everything during transport. It's about respect for the equipment and, more importantly, the safety of everyone involved. Remember, a dropped component isn't just a financial loss. It could mean the difference between smooth sailing and a potential disaster at sea. Ever walked into a messy workshop and spent hours searching for a single wrench? Frustrating, right? Now imagine that on a much larger scale with thousands of electrical components, not a recipe for efficiency. That's why we've implemented a color-coded storage system that'd make a rainbow jealous. Each color represents a different category of components, making it easy to find exactly what you need when you need it. Red might be for circuit breakers, blue for wiring, green for lighting. You get the idea. This system not only saves time, but also reduces the risk of errors. Plus, it just looks darn good. Organized, efficient, and professional, that's the name of the game. Section 5. Packaging power, safeguarding components for the journey. Think of the last time you ordered something fragile online. Remember all that bubble wrap and packing peanuts? Well, we take packaging to a whole new level here. Whether it's a short trip across the harbour or a long voyage across the ocean, we make sure our electrical components are prepped for anything. We're talking anti-static bags to prevent electrostatic discharge, foam inserts for cushioning, and sturdy boxes to handle even the roughest seas. Proper packaging isn't just about protecting the components, it's about ensuring they arrive at their destination in perfect working order. Because the last thing anyone needs is a critical electrical component arriving DOA. Section 6. Preservation prowess, shielding against the elements. Let's face it, the marine environment can be brutal. Salt water, humidity, extreme temperatures, it's enough to make even the toughest materials crumble over time. But fear not, we've got a secret weapon: preservation. We're talking about using specialized coatings, sealants, and storage techniques that act like an invisible shield, protecting our components from the elements. Think of it like giving them a suit of armor, ready to withstand whatever the sea throws their way. From corrosion inhibitors to UV-resistant materials, we're pulling out all the stops to ensure our electrical components stay in tip-top shape, no matter how long the voyage. Section 7. Delivery and quality assurance, the final check. So we've handled our components with care, stored them like royalty, packaged them like precious cargo, and preserved them against the elements. What's next? The final act? Delivery and quality assurance. This is where we make sure everything we've done meets our sky-high standards. We're talking about meticulous inspections, following strict protocols, and making sure every I is dotted and every T is crossed. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about getting the job done, it's about getting it done right. And that means delivering high-quality, reliable electrical components that our clients can trust. Section 8. Maintaining maritime mastery, the importance of ongoing training. Now, you might be thinking, okay, we've covered everything, right? Well, almost. You see, the learning never stops in this line of work. Technology evolves, new materials emerge, and best practices are constantly refined. That's why we're committed to ongoing training for our team. We hold regular workshops, bring in experts, and encourage everyone to stay up to date on the latest and greatest in the world of marine electrical components. Because the more we know, the better equipped we are to handle, store, package, and preserve these vital components, ensuring the safety and reliability of every vessel that leaves the dock. Section 9. Conclusion: powering up with precision and care. So there you have it, a glimpse into the world of marine electrical component management. It's a field that demands not only technical expertise, but also a deep commitment to quality and safety. From the moment these components arrive at our doorstep, each piece is meticulously checked and documented to ensure it meets our stringent standards. To the time they're installed and powering vessels across the globe, every step is executed with precision and care. This ensures that the systems function flawlessly in the demanding marine environment. We're committed to upholding the highest standards of handling, storage, packaging, and preservation. Each component is stored in optimal conditions to prevent any form of degradation. Remember, it's not just about following rules, it's about understanding the why behind every step. This knowledge empowers our team to make informed decisions in every situation. It's about respecting the equipment, prioritizing safety, and ensuring that every action we take contributes to the overall reliability of the vessel's electrical systems. It's about respecting the equipment, prioritizing safety, and ensuring that every vessel that relies on our expertise can sail with confidence. Safety gear and protocols are non-negotiable aspects of our daily operations, and ensuring that every vessel that relies on our expertise can sail with confidence. Our work directly impacts the safety and efficiency of marine operations worldwide, because when it comes to the world of marine electrical systems, precision and care are the name of the game. Every wire, every connection, and every component must be perfect. Precision and care are the name of the game. This meticulous attention to detail ensures that our systems perform under the most challenging conditions. And that's a responsibility we don't take lightly. Our team takes pride in their work, knowing that their dedication and expertise keep vessels running smoothly and safely.